No, it's a Velociraptor.
1, 2, 1, 2. Look who's coming through. Velociraptor, so what you wanna do? Oh snap! I just seen a little boy, so it's time to attack, bust a rap, and destroy. You could run, but I'll follow you. I'll chew you up and swallow you. And if there's more people, then I'ma eat up all of you. I'm from a park called Jurassic. My rhymes are classic. I'll wrap you with plastic, douse you with gas, and toss a matchstick. Guaranteed, once I find you, you'll be in my submission. And if you think I'll let you live, then boy, you must be wishing. Yeah, Jurassic Park all day, mother.
World Star!
Meteors, we out.
Get up! You gotta wake up! Dr. Grant, the dinosaur didn't even touch him!
The Velociraptor simply shreds all of its victims with dope lyrics. Sorry for your loss, Holmes.